everybody, Mr. Justen here, your public health educator from the Oakland County Health Division. And today on our latest episode of Chefing It Up, we have another very fun, very tasty recipe called Zoo Buddies. So again, as always, before we start, we have to make sure that we wash our hands. And remember, when you wash your hands, you must do so for 20 seconds. I've already washed my hands in the sink behind me, but if you pause the video, I'll give you some time to wash your hands and then we can get started. Did you wash those hands? I hope so. Okay, everybody, let's get started. First off, with our ingredients, this is a super simple recipe and there are only 3 ingredients. We have low-fat cream cheese, we have our celery sticks that are cut up, and we also have a few animal crackers. So the first thing that we want to do is, before we have this, which I've already done, is we rinse off, we wash off our celery, and then we make sure that we dry it, okay? Then after that, we take our little spoon here and we just add some cream cheese. So I am going to do that with this one right here. Have to be conscious about how much you add. And hopefully cream cheese doesn't give you problems like it gives me. And just kind of use your spoon to spread it a little bit, just a little bit. I'm gonna take another scoop. I'll make 2 for us right here. Then I'm going to take another little celery stick and we are going to just let it spread, let it spread, let it spread. Awesome, here we go. Well, why not make 4, huh? We can always share with a friend and encourage healthy eating. Okay, I'm gonna make 2 more. I'm gonna put cream cheese on 2 more celery sticks. Go ahead and let's spread it on out, spread it on out, let it spread, let it spread, let it spread. And be careful, make sure that you remember, like I said, have your hands washed because we're gonna be touching food and we don't wanna get any germs. Okay, 1 more celery stick. Here we go, we're gonna spread it. We're gonna spread our cream cheese. Here we go, here we go. Just a little bit more right here. Okay, cream cheese doesn't like me very much, everyone. Make sure you get some cream cheese that's easily spreadable. Okay, here we go. We kind of have it down. Just use that to scoop it up. Alrighty, here we go. And so with our cream cheese on there, the next step is we take our animal crackers and we just kind of stand them up in the cream cheese on the celery. So once you do it, they should look like this. You can have them facing different ways. You can have them facing the same way. Do whatever you like. Awesome. And these are all types of animals. If you can guess what kind of animal is on your animal cracker, you get bonus points. Okay, making this here, making sure that our animals are standing. And last one, sure you are standing in the cream cheese. And voila, we have a healthy snack. We have our Zoo Buddies that we can go share with our actual buddies. This has been very fun, everybody. A little bit messy here, but guess what? I'm gonna wash my hands right after to get the mess and get the germs off. I will see you next time on the next episode of Chefing It Up. Bye, everybody.